All right, everybody, good morning. We are in Temecula today. We're right by the 15 freeway again, so you probably can hear it, unfortunately. But we're working on an irrigation repair here, and this one's a little different. It's something that maybe you've encountered, and it's kind of a very, very specific problem that our client here is having. It's a large property, and let me show you what we're doing. Okay, so today we are replacing all of these hose bibs. So these are on the irrigation only line. So as you can see, this one is probably not the most reliable or something you could count on because it's tilted over so much. The client is having a problem because he's having them leak. This one needs to be fixed for sure. And also a problem he's having is he's using an aluminum collar on the hose, the garden hose, and when it connects to brass, it's corroding together and then you can't remove it. So we're gonna make sure that doesn't happen with a special type of tape. But more than anything, these just need to be fixed to the post properly. So that's what we're working on. I'll show you one of them when they're finished. And again, we're in Temecula. This is something we do every day. If you have problems with your irrigation system, give us a call, please. We've been doing this a long time and we've seen it all. So thanks for watching. Okay, here you have it. Brand new valve. We're gonna go ahead and strap this down properly to the post, but look at that. This will be, the white pipe gets covered up with dirt and mulch, and that's what it should look like right there, nice and clean. Well, thanks for checking it out. We're here in Temecula. We're always available. Don't be afraid to reach out to us for irrigation issues. We can definitely help you with that, even something like this.